I don't know one thing or the other with these police. I didn't know there was any laws in Jamaica preventing women to breastfeed their children, but I'm gonna read this article and give my thoughts and opinions on this. And it says, within only days, the Jamaica Constabulary Force has again been placed under the microscope for the actions of one of its members, this time for a recent development at the Halfway Tree police station in St. Andrew, where a mother was reportedly ordered out of the station by a policewoman because she attempted to breastfeed her young baby while at the facility. Only days ago, the police high command launched an investigation into harsh words that were used by a traffic cop to a motorist who was found with a driver's license but clearly could not read. The cop got enraged by the fact that the motorist could not spell the word "it." Reports that an alleged eyewitness who highlighted the matter of the breastfeeding mother on her Twitter account indicated that the mother went to the station and was waiting to report a matter when the child started to cry for attention. That was when the mother attempted to breastfeed the child. What took place thereafter has left persons asking questions about the customer service stance from the police force, which has the words "to serve and protect and reassure" in its motto. Just saw a policewoman tell a mother to get out of the guardroom at the HWH police station because breastfeeding her child was not permitted in that public space, the Twitter user exclaimed. The woman who highlighted the case said when she saw what happened to the mother and child, she was so moved that she offered to use of her car in the station's parking lot for the mother to breastfeed the baby in some comfort and dignity. So I told the lady to feed her starving baby in my car. My heart hurts, elaborated the lady who came to rescue from the what persons are labeling as grossly unmotherly act by the female cop. When I saw what took place, it really left me concerned, an added social media user. The matter has triggered widespread condemnation from social media users in general and has attracted the attention of the top cop, Commissioner George Cuolo, who advised of an ongoing investigation of the matter via his Twitter page. It is a matter that is being investigated, the commissioner said. However, the commissioner's statement has not been very effective in quelling the anger of some members of the public who use the Twitter platform to vent their feelings on the matter. That was very uncaring on the part of the police, said one user, who noted that the situation was made worse by the fact that it was done by a woman who happened to be a member of the JCF. So, not only did this happen in a police station, and the matter that the woman wanted to report was not highlighted, but this was also done to her by a female cop. And honestly, that female cop there must mule or something, or she can't breed, or she don't have no motherly instincts, or she almost one of them police women that we don't like pitney or dash with plenty of belly at Jamaica. Because if you see a mother breastfeeding her child, that's the most authentic thing a mother can do for her child. Breastfeeding is the best way to go. When formula wasn't invented and all, buckle warmer and hot water and all that, the way how we got fed as children was through our parents' breast. So I'm not see the big deal as to why she can't breastfeed her child in a public space. And that has been an ongoing thing, not only in Jamaica but also in the United States, that women are getting scrutinized for breastfeeding their child in public places. And quite honestly, me not understand it, and I don't care for it. And I'm sick and tired of the JCF. When it's not one thing, it's the other. First, it was the police officer that pulled the gun upon the man with a video. The other man run up upon him with gun. Then it was the police will have the man with the driver's license, they try spell it, and then it was the police woman where they cussed the other police woman. Like, it's always something with the JCF. Always something. There's never nothing good being highlighted that they're doing, and they're supposed to protect and serve, but the only thing they're doing is misusing their authority and having Jamaicans not trust them because they don't have any transparency. They don't know how to do customer service. They don't know how to articulate themselves and actually do their jobs. And a lot of these men want to suck off woman breasts and have sex with them, but think it's disgusting for a woman to actually feed her child in public, which is beyond crazy to me. I don't understand it, and I don't get it, and I would like to hear my audience thoughts and opinions on this story. Do you think it's okay for a mom to breastfeed her child in public if her child is starving? Do you think it's not okay? Do you think a woman should breastfeed her child in public but she needs to be covered? Or do you think she don't have to be covered because it's natural? Tell me what you guys think about this story, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here. Deuces.